Different culture.
Like, comment, subscribe, y'all, and join the culture family. Alright, culture family, you know what I'm saying? Today we back with another video. Today we got a new series called Public Pickup. We've been doing a lot of these. Today, the topic of the public pickup is picking up girls with no words. You cannot talk. So basically, we gonna find somebody to go pick up a girl, and they gotta find a way to pick them up without talking, basically, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is gonna be a new series on our channel, you know what I'm saying? We still gonna do public interviews, but we trying, you know, expand and do some other stuff right now. So yeah, so we got, you know what I'm saying, we got 80K, you know what I'm saying? We on the road to 100K. We getting there, we grinding. We haven't been posting lately, but you know what I'm saying, we gonna be back to posting a lot. Like we coming back, you know what I'm saying? We coming back. You know, stay tuned to more videos, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we playing public pickup, right? So now you just gotta go to a random girl and you gotta pick up with no words though. You can't say one word, right?
Not one word?
Not one word.
I can't even tell her what we're doing?
Hell no, you can't say nothing.
Alright.
Alright, random girl. Alright, let's see.
No bitches around here.
My number? Huh? I'm like by the bathroom, like going towards the bathroom.
Do y'all see the joy on this nigga's face, man? This is what it's truly all about, man. Let's go into the next clip.
Alright, I'm here with
Jamel. Hello.
Alright, so we doing something called public pickup today, right? So all you gotta do is pick up a girl without talking.
Without talking?
Yeah, without talking.
Alright, bet. Hold up. I got you. Hold up. This is easy. Hold up. Alright, I gotta find somebody who's not ugly.
Wait, cause hold on, bro. I could have swore you said this.
Without talking.
Alright, bet. Hold up. I got you. Hold up. This is easy.
Alright, we playing public pickup, right? So you gotta pick up a girl, but you can't say a word.
Alright, bet.
Alright, I'm here with.
BMT Spaz, man. 5'9", man. Music coming soon. Stay tuned, man.
Hey, you already know it's Spaz. Shout out to Spaz. Really up next on his rap
You
shit.
know, man. Say, man. Hate, man.
But look, we got some new shit called public pickup, right? So what I need you to do is just pick up a girl without talking. That's it.
Say less. You know, that's what I do best, man. Follow me, bro. I'm gonna get this shit happening, man. Where you going?
English.
Get that corny shit away from this Spaz.
What's up, man?
I'll take it. How about move your hands on close that finger?
Hey, how y'all live?
See, right now, I don't know what's going on. I know y'all like, why is he talking? See, I don't know why the fuck he's talking either.
Let's make it happen.
All right, I'm here with
Aaron, Henry.
All right, so we're playing something called public pickup, right? All you gotta do is pick up somebody without talking.
Bet.
All right, who wanna go first? You wanna go first? All right. All right, I'm here with
Judge.
All right, Judge, instead of public interviews today, we're doing something different called public pickup. So what you gotta do is pick up a girl without talking today. Can you do that?
Alright.
Good, boss. Good.
Yeah, there's just no way, Judge. Like, Judge, come on now. We just went over this, man. Like, I told you, like, pick her up without talking, and you were like, okay, and now you talking. What's up with this? But we gonna keep going to the clip to see if he finessed.
How you doing? I'm good. My name is Jazz. What's your name? Juice. Nice to meet you. I was wondering if I can get your number. Sorry about that. Thank you.
I'm starting talking. Oh my God, bro. All right, I'm here with
Jalen.
All right, so we're doing a new thing called public pickup. All you gotta do is pick up a girl without talking. Can you do that?
Yeah. You good? Alright.
You wanna keep playing with me?
Well, I have an email, so don't judge me.
You said what?
No SIM card. Someone told us you no SIM card. Like, it's too sad.
You get a SIM card. I don't think it's like that much, right?
It's like it's 2 cents. I don't got 2 cents.
All right, I'm here with
Chase.
All right, so we doing something new called public pickup today, right? So all you gotta do is pick up somebody without talking. Can you do that?
I mean, of course I can.
Where you going?
Whoa. These niggas make tweets and they wait for a clapback. I got that shit that's gon' hit at your snapback. Watch how I get it and growing that sack up. Ain't had to bust it, he saw it and backed up. Too many bitches in line, don't act up. I'm about that drama if he wanna act up. You don't want problems, so